Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh no! What just happened?
I mean, you have to go back this way, no?
I don't know, but dude, there's Freebird
Do
rolling.
you see where I'm looking at? What the fuck, dude? I thought it was a boombox.
Same. I just
Okay, I have
got
an eye on it.
injury in
Backing
my
in.
head.
Oh. Look at the head move.
Keep it. Oh! Hannah! Hannah!
Oh, if you walk across, it might jump on you.
Oh shit! I killed the thing.
Was that Chad?
Sorry, Hannah.
Hello?
Wait, what the fuck? Oh, what's that?
Shoot, I don't know where the is.
Oh! Oh fuck.
You little. What
Bro.
the fuck?
Dude, it's the fucking can that's on
Oh,
the
Tyler's
ground
dead. How did Tyler die?
I literally walked outside. That's all I people.
Oh god, they're all dead. Oh, triple
Oh,
kill
they're
right here.
fucking
Triple
dead.
kill, triple kill right here.
Jay,
Tyler's-
you're gonna die.
their hand is
Or
fucking
something is
up
gonna.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, I see.
How did I die?
Die.
The little tin can had a charge.
It's gonna be hard to take back.
Who's this?
She joined us too.
Wait, Chad, how did you die? Wait, but there's a jester.
Which way is it?
They start playing music, I bet fucking dare you.
Hey, there's a fire exit.
Oh shit.
What is that?
Oh no! Oh no!
Fucking Freebird.
Oh look at Brett, look at Brett.
Yeah.
Oh, we're kind of effed here. Oh shoot! Wait, how did?
Wait, if I go out right now, will he be sitting there?
I don't know, maybe. Oh, Boomba, run!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god!
Hey, I got 2 flashlights.
I'll take that one.
Wait, there's bottles. There's bottles.
Bottles?
How much money we need? You think?
2. We need like 600. We're not gonna make it.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh. Oh my god.
Hey, we got it, dude.
Oh, we gotta go, we gotta
I don't
go.
know what that was. Oh, Hannah's dead.
I was just right
No,
there.
he's there.
I was just right there.
Wait.
Wait, we have to go
Yes,
back.
sir.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh,
Shit.
look at him.
I'm running for my life.
I'm
Did you
dead.
make
I'm
it?
dead. I'm dead.
I believe you, Hannah. Sorry.
I can't.
Oh my
Oh
god.
shit. Can I scare them?
Why is my stamina so weak?
Run! Hello? Oh shit, there's a dead end. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to die.
Wait! Wait! No! No!
How's she not dead?
Oh, I'm dead. Go on without me. I'll lead him over here.
Hannah,
Chad! Chad!
where are you? Where are you? Come to me. I'm.
What?
Oh my god.
Fuck. Yeah.
Come on. 32.
Drop everything else.
Oh my goodness, she's doing it.
Someone just fell. Someone just ran.
Hell yeah.
Was that Tyler?
It's,
Yeah.
Tyler didn't see it.
Tyler
ugly.
just came in. Oh, Hannah's
You
here.
made it, Chad. I thought you weren't gonna make it.
the fuck is that supposed to mean? Hey, don't leave. Do not pull the lever.
Did you say pull the lever?
Oh,
Pull it, pull it, pull it. Pull it, pull now, pull now, pull now. Pull now.
What?
Well, and then there were two.
Oh my.
me
Oh,
and Chad
oh.
were doing stuff other side. There were no locked doors next to the real one. Oh.
That was a face. That was a fucking mimic, Brent.
You're gonna kill me? Come kill me. What are you gonna do? Break down the door? Oh, you can break down doors!
It's not locked anymore. It's not locked anymore.
Yikes.
Leave that there so we.
I said there was a turret.
Oh fuck, it's eclipsed.
What does that mean?
Like, good luck, it's eclipsed.
What does that mean?
That's what I mean!
No! No, don't leave
Wait, guys, come with it.
We found
You guys know where
out.
Ross died?
Ross died?
Huh?
Died?
Oh.
Oh shit.
Bitch!
Chad died to the flower man over there. Okay, let's go. Hannah, you got this.
Why, who is there? Thumper?
Thumper. You can kill it, right?
Yeah,
We got the Thumper.
yeah.
Let's
go,
Just
let's go.
wait out here.
Okay, we'll wait for you.
I'll bait it for her. She missed. She's dead. She's dead.
Oh no.
What you guys still doing here?
Yeah, sell that
No,
shit.
we're gonna go lower.
Keep going.
You can just buy a lockpicker for.
Keep going.
It's at 200. Should I
gosh.
keep going?
No.
No, sell this, sell. Shut up, shut the fuck up, you money waster, just sell that shit.
New machine, new machine.
No, sell.
One more.
I feel it.
Sell.
We're at 100. Alright.
No, go
There's
back.
one more.
Go back.
The old phone sold for 0 credits.
Wait, I'm at 300 now, dude.
Zero.
Dude, he did it.
Credit.
He did it. He did it.
Can I get this up to 500? Is that 500?
Ross, sell it and mitigate Jay's losses.
Okay, wait, I'm at 150 now.
Just sell, boy.
Okay, I'll sell.
Okay, one more game though.
Wait, I'm at 450 now. I'm at 450 now.
Oh my gosh, we have hope. We have hope. We have
Oh,
hope.
one more. Just
Just
one more.
1,000.
Sell the thing.
I'm at 900. I'm at 900.
Sell.
No, dude, I'm so
Hey,
close.
hey, hey,
Sell
hey,
the
guys, we gotta
So
dance.
close to.
Guys,
I
give him the
need
luck.
1,000. I
Give
need
him the
1,000.
luck.
I'm at 1,800.
Oh my gosh, wait.
You got it down,
Oh
but just,
my
bro,
gosh.
sell the key.
Sell
and
it.
Like you said, We're
Sell
fucking
it.
set. Just sell the damn key.
Oh
Wait,
my
but
gosh, that's
but
crazy.
Dragon hit 2K. Just one
No,
more.
no.
One more.
You
It
fucking
can only go
addict.
down by 900. It can only go down by 900. We're good. We're good.
I'm dying.
All right, it's at 900. I'll sell it for 900.
You fucker.
Oh my.
Oh my god.